The Center for Research and Policy Development, with support from GIZL through its Enhancing Political Stability and Good Governance program on Monday, launched a 5-day capacity building training on security sector reform governance at a local hotel in Kolole. Held from June 30th to July 4th, 2025, the training brings together members of the civil society security sector reform coalition to strengthen their knowledge and skills in promoting democratic governance, transparency, and accountability in the Gambia's evolving security sector. Convened by the Association of Non-Governmental Organizations, the SSR Coalition comprises various civil society organizations working collaboratively to advocate for reforms through a rights-based, citizen-centered approach. The primary aim of the training is to deepen civil society's understanding of security governance, improve coordination among coalition members, and enhance their role in shaping, influencing, and monitoring security sector policies and practices. Participants will also be exposed to international best practices in security governance and equipped with advocacy tools, research strategies, policy engagement techniques, and methods for effective citizen outreach. Speaking on behalf of the National Security Advisor, Deputy National Security Advisor Omar Bojang described the training as timely, especially as the Gambia reflects on the progress and challenges of its SSR journey. He emphasized that the National Security Office values such initiatives which support national efforts in reforming the security architecture.
It affirms our shared commitment to reforming our security sector in a manner that is inclusive, transparent, and anchored in democratic values. Since the dawn of our democratic transition in 2017, the security sector reform and governance has been at the heart of Gambia's government commitment in renewing its obligation to the Gambian people. After the 22 years of territorial rule, the new government embarked on a comprehensive reform to uphold democracy, good governance, and the rule of law.
Also addressing the gathering, the German ambassador to the Gambia underscores the importance of inclusive reform process. He stressed that comprehensive and effective security sector reforms cannot be achieved by the government alone, but must involve meaningful collaboration with civil society and other key stakeholders.
Civil society, including the organizations represented here today, plays a vital role in amplifying the voices of the people and enabling citizens to take an active role in shaping their own safety and security, in partnership with security institutions and other relevant actors. Civil society organizations are at the forefront of promoting citizens' rights, improving the accountability of public authorities and security institutions, and ensuring that decision-making processes include voices from all segments of society. In this way, civil society serves as a representative of a broad cross-section of the population, voluntarily mobilized around the common good, working on a non-profit basis, and creating a social space that is independent of government.
Miata Lily French, ECOWAS country representative in the Gambia, also delivered remarks emphasizing that successful SSR is critical to fostering good governance and sustainable peace. She highlighted the need for security institutions to remain both effective and accountable to the people they serve.
ECOWAS adopted 2 policy documents that put democratic governance at the core of its conflict prevention strategy and the development agenda, the Supplementary Protocol on Democracy and Good Governance of 2001, and the ECOWAS Conflict Prevention Framework of 2008. Both documents recall core principles of democratic governance, which should be respected by security institutions in member states. Article 72 of the ECPF highlights security governance as one of the components for conflict prevention to ensure the emergence and consolidation of accountable, transparent, and participatory security sector systems in member states. ECOWAS also recognizes that SSRG should also be part of a broader reform agenda on promoting human rights and the rule of law.
The 5-day training not only promotes knowledge sharing, but also provides a platform for coalition building among organizations working in diverse areas such as peace building, human rights, and community security. It aims to nurture a well-informed and coordinated civil society that can act as a strategic partner in the country's ongoing national security reform agenda. Ultimately, the initiative seeks to foster a participatory approach to security sector reform, ensuring that reform efforts reflect the voices, needs, and life experiences of the Gambian people rather than being solely driven by state actors. Reporting for Kirfatu, I am Fatu Silla.